Blessings, love and light, chosen ones. My name is Ronnie K, or you can call me Billy. Welcome to my channel. Please actually subscribe to my channel. I'll be very grateful. So, chosen ones, you're unstoppable. You are forced to be reckoned with. Your enemies have tried in every way to stop you, from using your relationships to try to get you a broken heart, to try to keep you stuck, from attacking your sacral chakras, to try to block your creativity, attacking your finances through death spells, beauty spells, attacking every area of your life. And chosen ones, you are still standing tall and still walking tall, right? Still standing strong and walking tall, right? At this present time, your energies, a lot of you are having energy, your energy is being harvested, drained, right? Your enemies are still trying to stop you, but because we're divinely guided, we have the tools and the techniques to keep pushing through, right? And this is the great thing about being chosen, right? We get messages straight from God. Okay, you're being attacked this way. Okay, use this tool and techniques. A lot of us right now are using mantras, right? Mantras to help block out fatigue, mantras to restore our energies, to call back our energies. We go to sleep playing mantras, we wake up, realize, okay, somebody's energy harvesting. I need to call back my energy using a Reiki candle, draw back my energy. Like, just, you know, we just keep going. We keep going. Why? Because we are connected to the divine most high, right? And that is where we get our tools and resources, our guidance, right? Our enemies don't have these tools and guidance because why? They're not connected to the divine. And that's the reason why they're stoppable, and we are unstoppable, chosen ones. We are forever unstoppable, right? Anytime you think your enemies are about to attack, just know you're undefeated, right? And the mindset does help as well, right? You know, a mindset does help big time, right? Knowing that you are on the side of the chosen one, no matter how bad it looks, you will stand strong and tall, and you will keep going, because we're designed that way, right? Anytime you're on the side of the divine, anytime you're on the same side with God, you will not be you will not be disappointed. You will never fail, right? We're unstoppable, we're unbeatable, we're undefeated, right? Undefeated champ. That's what I call myself. Not being stuck up or big headed, but it's true. That's what we are. That's what we're called, the chosen ones, right? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, right? No matter how bad the situation looks, know that this time around, this is our time. We are unstoppable, forever undefeated champs, period. I could tell you how many times they've tried to block me from going to the gym, trying to take away all my energy. Today I struggled waking up, right? They put me in this weird like trance type of sleep. I still got up. I played some sophologies, some frequencies, some mantras to get rid of the fatigue. Then I played, call back my energy, Reiki meditations. Then off I went to the gym, and I still went hard, and I didn't go back home. So go hard or go home, right? Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're undefeated. Just know that. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. Keep moving. Know that we'll never be stopped. We can't be stopped. Only Jesus was sacrificed, but this time around we are not going to be sacrificed. In our past lives we might have died from that persecution, but this time around none of us are dying. Period. Alrighty. Blessings of light once again. Have a good day, good night. Bye now.